Want to buy MTN shares but you don't have bank accounts? Don't worry. In today's video, I'm going to show you a simple way you can buy your MTN shares on your phone without going to open any bank account. Okay, it's very simple. Okay, so don't skip this video. By the end of this video, you're going to know how to buy MTN shares on your mobile phone without any difficulty. Okay, so I won't waste much more time. Let's go straight to the point. Okay, so what you need three things before you can buy these MTN shares on your phone: your Ghana card, your mobile number, and the money you have in your wallet. Okay, so if you buy MTN shares, you become a part of MTN company. Okay, so if MTN company perform very well, at the end of the day, they will pay you a dividend. Okay, so if MTN shares doesn't work very hard at the end of the day and they don't get any profit, the dividend they will pay you will be reduced. Okay, so take note of that because investments come with at risk. Okay, so the most happiest thing on this is that, let's say each share is only 4 cedis 50 pesos. Okay, so let's say you buy your share 4 cedis 50 pesos and then the price increases to, let's say, 7 cedis 8 cedis. You can buy your shares for different person. Okay, so you can buy your own shares from different person and then you get profit from it. Okay, so if you buy shares from MTN company, you become a part of their company. Okay, so the simple way you can buy your MTN share is, what you need to know is you can buy MTN shares on your phone. Okay, so you dial *170# and choose option 5. Then you choose option 4. Okay, after choosing option 4, they will send you a message. Okay, so if you have a brokerage account, they will send you a message for you to buy the shares. Okay, so if you don't have a brokerage account, you have to create a brokerage account on IC World. Okay, so you go to Play Store and then download the app. After then download the app, what you need is your Ghana card. Okay, your email, your contact. Make sure to enter a valid contact and then email because they will email you. Okay, so your name, give them your correct name, the name on your Ghana card. Okay, so when you open the app, they will ask you to enter your name. Then you enter your name, your email, and then they'll ask you to take a photo of the front of your Ghana card. Okay, so you take a photo of your front of your Ghana card, and then you take a photo of your back of your Ghana card also. Then you upload it. Okay, so a few moments they will send you a message that you are successful registered to IC World. Okay, so after that you can go through the companies you want to buy their shares. Okay, so you will see MTN there. Okay, so when you click on MTN there, because you are a new, they will do some reviews. Okay, so they will give you for some times before you can buy the shares. Okay, so if the time they give you end, then you can buy the shares. Okay, so you can buy the MTN shares. Okay, because you are a new, they want to do some review before they will accept you. Okay, so when you create the account, it's not that now like that day you can buy the shares. Okay, yes, let me say it like that, not that day. Okay, so they will send you some message to tell you that they are doing a review. Okay, so after the review they will give you a email. Okay, so after the email, then you can buy the shares you want to buy. Okay, the price of the shares is just 4 cedi, 50 pesos. So as many as you can buy it. Okay, so at the end of the day, if MTN gets more profits, then they will pay you a dividend. Okay, so if MTN doesn't perform well and then didn't get more profit, then you too, your dividend will be reduced. Okay, so that's how the MTN shares works. Okay, so I'm not a financial advisor. All this information that I'm giving to you is from my experience. Okay, so before buy any share from any company, do your own research before. Okay, so this is how you can buy your MTN shares on your phone. Okay, thank you for watching it, and I see you in my next video. Here is Profit My Channel. See you next time. If you have any comment, leave it on comment down below. Bye.